Funky D. Funky D. Welcome back to Funky D show. I don't tell you now before, say anything when come out, we must talk about them. However, when that thing be. So the matter when they grant na serious matter when they grant before tomorrow morning. When Nigeria they go choose person when go begin to delete them. So the whole thing be say the thing when before Kidi they see, I not can understand. Because I think say these people when they call Igbo people, Biafran people, IPOP people, I think say they don't advance past distance when they happen around them. Because I don't see say now those people they are ready to go vote for Atiku Abubakar. But they see when they interview these people, all of them they talk say Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi. When we say them no say different no day between Atiku Abubakar and Jubri Buhari. Waiting can be the difference. These people then be two Fulani herdsmen. Now them can be the Boko Haram. Now them can be the people when they send Fulani people, they can slaughter Igbo people, IPOP people, Biafran people. Now them be the caliphate when we get in that country. Ladies and gentlemen, I want me to tell me the difference between Atiku Abubakar and Jubri Buhari. Because as you they see so, tomorrow morning, now be the election day. And that tomorrow in the morning election don't set. People don't they go cast their vote to whom they want cast their vote for. But I can't bow say man, the whole thing when they hear from Igbo people might be seeing that the same Atiku Abubakar when they know say before Atiku Abubakar na him with this person when they call Obasanjo rule us before when we say things spoil well. Things spoil well. Even for Igbo people, because if you won't come and come talk say during Atiku Abubakar time say you enjoy anything, you are a liar. Because you know nobody fit deceive us again. Sure you get. So the thing when they now be saying, when I want to talk about be say, even though say anything, even then they pressurize you, you are not supposed to go vote for Atiku Abubakar. Because Atiku Abubakar and Buhari, them be the same party, them be the same thing, them be the same brother, them be the same Fulani people. They think the same, they reason the same way, they act the same way. Only thing be say, it be like say Atiku Abubakar I tear well for money pass Jubri. But I don't tell me say Atiku Abubakar, you when they go vote for Atiku Abubakar, make you wait for hunger. You when they go vote for Atiku Abubakar, make you wait for the killer herdsmen. If you they go vote for Atiku Abubakar, make you wait for trouble, because now be say they never begin slaughter IPOP people. They never begin slaughter people when be Biafran people. They never begin kill people in that country. Once you go allow Atiku Abubakar every time, me when be from Kidi, I they tell on this thing. Once you allow that man when they answer that name Atiku Abubakar go enter that place, you are in a grave danger. Igbo people, if not this, because I don't tell them before, see Atiku Abubakar. Now Robbie come Robona. Now I make him carry that man when be Peter Obi. Peter Obi cannot do anything for you. If you think say Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar, they will give you restructuring or then go restructure anything, you are wasting your time. Once again, if you think say Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, they go give you maybe referendum or give you Igbo president 2023. You are wasting your energy because it will never come to pass. Mark you, Atiku Abubakar na Fulani man. This same man when be Atiku Abubakar, all those killing when they kill our brothers and sisters in Igbo land, when herdsmen that they march from north to eastern part of the country, they kill the Igbo people. You don't see one day when Atiku Abubakar condemn the arts. You don't see one day when Atiku Abubakar come and say, why did they kill Igbo people? Or all those people when they kill inside church in a northern part of the country, when we say all of them now Igbo people, including the ones when they kill in Christmas Day some years back, including the ones where they still they kill today, including the ones when we say they see they come they carry now in Anambra State, they go meet DSS in Abuja, and when we say some of them no go come back, you don't hear one day when Atiku Abubakar condemn the act. You don't hear one day when Atiku Abubakar say sorry to Igbo people. So ladies and gentlemen, why it can't be said now if all of a sudden all of them begin to talk about Atiku Abubakar? Now that is why I tell you, say, look, I think say on our level don't pass this level. All those ones now, people, all those IPOP members, the Biafran people, the Igbo people, when we say they don't cause, even till today, then they cause Nnaanwudu. Even till today, then they against Nnaanwudu and the Ohanes and Igbo in general. Now, Nnaanwudu himself and his group, I can say, and his evil group, them, they endorse Atiku Abubakar. The same Atiku Abubakar, when we say IPOP people say they know, the same Nnaanwudu, when we say IPOP people not like to talk to. The same Nnaanwudu, when we say in they get quanta with IPOP people, with Biafran people, the same person when Nnaanwudu endorse, now him IPOP people won't go vote for. Now the same man Igbo people won't go vote for, which means all of them are the same. All of them are the same. And the majority of you people, una not know what una they do again. Una not know una right from una left, or una left from una right. Una not know una front or from una back, because the same person. Even of recent, when they make some comment, I know the things when we say IPOP people tell this Nnaanwudu. Both the ones at home and both the ones in a diaspora. Now, the same person when Nnaanwudu, that is Atiku Abubakar, when Nnaanwudu bring come out. Because of Peter Obi, when they take the Sivona, now him una won't go vote for tomorrow morning. Tell me the difference between Atiku Abubakar and Buhari Jubri. Tell me the difference between Atiku Abubakar and, look, make una just wait for hunger. Because this one, if una go vote for that Atiku Abubakar, thinking say maybe get one thing when Peter Obi go bring, or then go allow una do that una referendum, or then go allow una do this maybe give una 2023, you are wasting your time. All of una know say Atiku Abubakar get long throat. Long throat for power. Atiku Abubakar will not give you 2023. So, ladies and gentlemen, before the election, that's why I'm doing this video. Before the election hour, make una withdraw back from Atiku Abubakar. Because waiting una go see. I say it go be the beginning of killing Igbo people. If una go vote for Atiku